to learn words. After remembering the Chinese characters in each lesson, click this button to enter the page of learning words. Click this button at the top, and all the words will be read in a circle.
会儿
会儿
一会儿
一会儿
过多
Click the red triangle in front of the word to play the pronunciation of the word.
过多
The Chinese characters in the words are in different colors. Black means that they have been learned in this lesson. Gray means that they have been learned before. Blue means that they have many sounds, and pronunciation is new. Red means that they have not been learned yet. In each lesson, we would deliberately choose 1 to 2 Chinese characters that we haven't learned in the text to appear in the words or sentences. Because there are only 1,536 Chinese characters in this course. Although this course covers about 93% of commonly used Chinese characters, there will always be Chinese characters that has not been learned. Therefore, the ability of guessing, understanding, and remembering Chinese characters through context will be cultivated consciously from the beginning. Try to read all the words first. If you don't remember a Chinese character in the word, you can long press it to display its details, and the example sentences using the Chinese character. Each Chinese character or word in the example sentence can be clicked to display its details. If we click a Chinese character in the word, it will show the word formation network. The above 3 Chinese characters can mean son and daughter, children, young women, and the female character together with the 4 words below can form into girl, daughter, woman, and lady. What is shown here is only the words that is capable of forming from lesson 4. More formation possibilities will be learned as we go along. When we click the Chinese characters in the upper or lower rows, it will again show the Chinese characters formation network. Click the Chinese character in the middle to display its detailed explanation and example sentences. Click the words in the sentence to display the explanation and example sentences of the word. This process can be extended infinitely. The meaning of Chinese characters and words must be related to each other in order to remember accurately, which is the reason why it is very easy to remember Chinese words. After you can read all the words, click the button in the upper right corner. The second Chinese character in the word will be hidden. Try to read these words again. Click this button again. The first Chinese character of the word will be hidden, and read it again. Click the translation button in the upper right corner once to display only the meaning of the words, and try to say the words according to the meaning. After clicking the translation button again, only the Chinese characters will be displayed. Try to say the meaning according to the words. With these words in mind, go to the test page and complete test 6 to 10. Test 6 is to find the correct word according to their pronunciation.
生日
Test 7 is reading. This test is a little different from other test scoring methods. It is obtained by multiplying the remaining time and the score of voice evaluation, so it needs to be read accurately and quickly. Test 8 is to listen to the sound and find the right meaning.
生日
Test 9 is to look at the meaning and find the right word. Test 10 is to find out the correct meaning of the word.